How to make Chase saving account. To make your Chase Bank's saving account, visit the chase.com website. Then simply go to the option called Savings and CDs, then select the option called Choose a Saving Account. Once you come to the website, this is the kind of information that you will see. Now there could be different types of savings account, but right here we only have one. So we can select the option called Open Now. Before you do that, I'd recommend you check all of the details of the savings account and along with the charges that you're going to be applied for. Then just select the Open Now option. When you click the Open Now, there are certain documents that you'll need. You will need the SSN and driver's license or state ID. You will need to set up your account preferences like your date of birth and so on. And you also need to have a proof of addresses and so on. So are you a Chase customer? Currently we aren't, so we can select the No option and proceed with the next option. By filling out all the information according to our legal details, our Chase Bank will be approved and ready for use. This way you'll be able to open up a Chase savings account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.